In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to scrape products from Amazon.com. So first let's head to Amazon website, search for the website, open the website. So I have already added the Octolooks Scraper plugin and we are testing the demo version. So let's start with it. Let's search for toys. Now we have so many toys in the list. So let's try to scrape that to our website. So let's start with the cereal. So now let's add the URL. So our URL is this. We can just copy paste it here. Now select from source or enter URL. So let's skip this now. So now it's not a post, it's a product. So let's push for the product. So you can see all the categories. Also now let's find the title. Post item is not valid. So let's take the post item. Now you will be able to see the Amazon website. So let's take a post item, like this is the post item, this is the title. Okay, also now let's see the next page that we will need to find. So this is the next page. Okay, it's done. So now let's try to find the category. The category is maybe just we can skip this for now because I am unable to find that one for now. Now what's the title? So we know this is the title. What is the content? So it will be automatically detected, or else we can select from the source. So let's skip that. What is the featured item? Let's select it. This is the featured item. Yes, just enable this to spin the field. So for now it's a trial, so we cannot spin for now. And the status will be published, date will be the process date, and we can enable the comment section. Also we can enable these both, and on existing post we can just skip for now. And that's it. We can just save it now. Before saving, we need to do some other tweaks also. And that's it. This is the demo, so we cannot save it for now. That's it for now. So once this will be done, you will be able to see all the scrapes here. And though if it's a product, you will be able to see on the products. If it's a post, you will be able to see on the post. Thank you so much.